Hi everyone, my name is Vandar Dansya. I am from Class B. Teaching narrative reading by using the subtext strategy for Islamic senior high school students. Abstract. The objectives of this study were to find out whether or not there was a significant improvement before and after treatment on the 11th grade students. Reading comprehension scores at Ohan Islamic Senior High School in Palembang by using subtext strategy and to find out whether or not there was a significant difference on an 11th grade student. Reading comprehension score between the students who were taught by using subtext and strategy and those who were not in the study. Quasi-experimental design using pretest post-test. Non-equivalent groups design was used. There were 60 students taken as sample. Each class consisted of 30 students from class 11 IPS 2 as control group and class 11 IPS 3 as experimental group. In collecting the data, reading comprehension test was used. The test was given twice to both experimental and control groups as a pretest and post-test to verify the hypothesis. The data of pretest and post-test were analyzed as a pretest and post-test. To verify the hypothesis, the data of pretest and post-test were analyzed by using independent sample t-test and paired sample t-test in SPSS program. The findings showed that the output from paired sample t-test was 0.00, which was lower than 0.5. Anti-value 11.399 was higher than the table with depth. The result of the output from the independent sample test was 0.001, which was lower than 0.05, and the t-value 3,465 was higher than the t-table with depth. It means that teaching reading narrative text by using subtext strategy had significant effect on the students' reading comprehension scores. English is a global language that cannot be separated from our daily life. It becomes an important language since science. Most of the people use English as their daily communication tool. English is a global language which is widely used in various countries and various fields. In Indonesia, English is very important to be mastered. Matrima and Hamdan state the English language the teaching becomes increasingly important as the first foreign language in Indonesia. Therefore, the government requires that all schools in Indonesia, especially at the high school level, to make English as one of subjects tested in the national examination. It is widely recognized that English is important for Indonesia, and the reason most frequently put forward to this is that English is a global international language. Reading has an important role in English. According to Anderson, reading is an essential skill for learners of English. For most of learners, it is the most important skill to master in order to ensure success in learning. With strengthened reading skills, learners of English tend to make greater progress in other areas of language learning. In addition, Abdullah, Sababati, Tapan, and Hassan state that reading is the most integral part in language learning. In relation to this, however, comprehending a reading text is not an easy activity. Patel and Jane argue that reading is perhaps the most difficult language skill to teach for age and intellectual comprehension. Similarly, Cornoldi and O'Kell also state that a typical characteristic of children is often difficulty in understanding a written text. They do not seem to grasp the most important typical characteristic of children seem to grasp the most important elements, the connection between the different parts, or to be able to search of the pieces of information they are looking for. In reading activities, students not only search out of the pieces of information they are looking for in reading activities. Students not only read but also do other activities unconsciously, such as thinking, interacting, speaking, listening, and writing. In Indonesia, reading still becomes a problem of our students. World Bank and NIEA describes that in East of Asia, Indonesian people had the lowest level in reading English text. Indonesian students' reading skill is lower than other countries. The mean score of Indonesian students was 397, while the average score was 493. The position of rank Indonesia in PISA rating is 16 to 63rd out of 70 countries participating. Report Forum Program for International Student Assessment. The data show that Indonesian reading skill is still poor. It means that Indonesian students need a strategy to improve their reading skills. Problems in narrative reading comprehension also happen to the 11th grade students of MA Petra Mandiri Palembang, one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. 1. The student had lack of motivation in reading English text. 2. The student had poor vocabulary, so they were not to be able to guess the meaning easily. The students could not predict the content of the narrative text. The students got difficulty to identify the character of the narrative text, and some of the students took too much time in comprehending the text. It happened because there was no interesting way to attract their interest in narrative reading text. Therefore, the student felt bored in reading narrative text and lazy in comprehending narrative text. Besides, the average score of students' comprehension in narrative reading text was lower than report and analytical exposition text. In relation to the use of subtext strategy, a study by Sasra showed that the use of subtext strategy successfully improved the students' reading comprehension skills. In addition, the second study written by Adela also reported that there was a significant effect of using subtext strategy on reading comprehension of the students' senior high school. The study was designed to know whether or not there was a significant improvement of the 11th grade students' narrative reading comprehension achievement who are taught by using subtext strategy, and to know whether or not there was significant difference of the 11th grade students' narrative reading comprehension achievement between those who were taught by using subtext strategy and those who were not. Literature review is reading comprehension and narrative text. Reading comprehension is the main purpose of reading activity. All readers intend to have connection to the material that they read. Of course, the process of reading comprehension is also complex and it takes time for a reader to acquire the meaning of a reading material. According to Dorr and Sophos, comprehending involves the interpreting and synthesizing ideas in ways that influence the reader's mind. The readers need to be able to figure out the author's purpose presenting the material. Comprehending some valuable information stated in the passage in relation to comprehending the overall content of reading materials. Furthermore, Westwood states the reading comprehension can be defined as an active thinking process, through which a reader intentionally constructs meaning to form a deeper understanding of concepts and information presented in the text. Reading comprehension is reading the text to get the meaning and understanding of the text. Explain that reading comprehension is the process of making meaning from the text. Reading comprehension is reading the text to get the meaning and understanding of the text. Narrative is text type that tells about story, whether true story, problematic personal experience, or fictional. However, the general purpose of a narrative text is to entertain and engage the reader in imaginative experience. But actually, there are many other purposes of narrative text. Subtext strategy. According to Hilton, subtext strategy is appropriate for a grade level in K-12. It is equal with senior high school level in Indonesia. This strategy can be applied in fiction text. It could also be applied to some non-fiction readings, such as history or social studies texts. Because of that, this strategy can be applied in fiction and non-fiction texts. One strategy above can be said as a strategy which allows the student to contribute to other students about some information from what they are reading. The information can be derived from what they understand and their background of knowledge. Then the student can get additional information about the reading topic in order to attack the new information of the similar topic being read. Methods: research design, research site, and participant. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.